So I've had lots of really good questions, and I've challenged myself and rethought this question over and over. Question number 3 on the quiz. So first of all, I should have given you guys better directions. I did get this question from a textbook. It's an even one though, so you can't look it up. But here's the actual directions in the book if you want to read that. But what kind of stood out when I read the directions again is it says the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by the curves. And I think some of us were just kind of ignoring this y is greater than or equal to 0 as one of the curves. So I get it. Some of you guys, when you drew out the picture, you kind of picture this football shape and it rotating around the x-axis. But if we think of y is greater than equal to 0, where it intersect or is bounded with the circle and the parabola, it's really this section here and here. And then that gets rotated around the x-axis. So you want to make sure that you guys set all your equations equal to y. So the circle equation, make sure you get y by itself. Another helpful hint is using Desmos. Find these points of intersection right here, or this point and this point. I like going from 0 over and then doubling at the end, but I mean, you can do what you want. I feel like it's less math that way to evaluate like this orange shape wrapped around and then at the very end to double it. But kind of how I approached the problem is I integrated the parabola from 0 to this point, and then I integrated the circle from this point to 1. So it's kind of like if I drew a line right here like that, it's kind of like imagining like this cone shape and this, I know they're not cones, but you know what I mean. It kind of looks like a cone and this cone shape and then adding them together. So I hope that helps you guys. Still feel free to email me, but it's been a great question. And I've had professors from Rhodes, Mr. Gherkin, that have emailed me back and agree that this was kind of complicated, but that they've clarified that this picture is the correct picture.